Hello, I'm Dr. Harish Thaneti, maxillofacial surgeon, life coach, Vedsastra instructor. There was this question, sir, it is a lockdown, sir. Our lives will go havoc, sir. What should we do, sir? One of my one of my student was asking this. What should we do during lockdown? What are the do's and don'ts during this lockdown? Um, I have few techniques. I don't know. I should not say sit down, start meditating, or watch movies, watch Netflix and all. I'll tell you some easy techniques. 5 rules. Definitely you must try during this 10 days of lockdown at least. 5 rules. First is spend time with your family members individually. Suppose your family is 6 members family, you spend 20 minutes time individually and just try to talk to them. It is not about the coronavirus, it is not about their movies and all. Just ask them how they are feeling. There's a upsurge of emotional disturbances happening to people now. There is a lack of mental stability during this pandemic. So if you talk to your family members, you just talk and ask how they are feeling inside. Okay, this is a very good method to stay connected with your family. At the same time, you uplift their mental ability. This is one thing. Second is, if you get time, start exercising. You will get a lot of time. Start exercising. Do not postpone. Suppose you are doing 10 sit stands today. By the end of 10 days of lockdown, you should do 100 sit stands at a time, right? So that should be your target. Put a target and then do it. It can be 50 or 60, whatever is the target. You have to put daily at least 4, 4, 5 sit stands you do extra, or jumpings you do extra, or skipping you do extra. Some physical activity which you should show the progress after 10 days. Okay, this is one thing you should try. The other thing is very, very useful and important is learn how to make money sitting at home. This is a fantastic opportunity for you. Try cryptocurrency, learn about Bitcoin, learn about stocks, learn about how to sell things on Amazon, learn about starting a small scale business sitting at home. You can learn, at least you need not put amount right away in the stocks, but you can do some research and learn, right? So this is one thing. The other thing which I suggest is whatever you wanted to do for your office or job, okay, you have to create a passive income other than your office and job. You have to create a passive income. So make sure that you are creating a passive income source for you. These 10 days are the right time for you to make a blueprint about it. Nurture your whatever is your hobby, nurture it and make it a profession. This is one thing. The other very, very important, and if you get time, you must do this, try this, is writing a journal. You should write your life history. Suppose you are 30 years old, write what you have done all these 30 years. Very important segments of your life, you have to make a note. If you don't have any important segments in your life, then you are wasting your life, and start creating important chapters in your life, right? So this is also very, very important. Start writing your heart out. Write something, but you have to start writing. Okay. The fifth and very, very important, help at least 3 people per day. Help, it can be verbal help, it can be financial help, it can be food which you can give to people. Help 3 members, and this help should be silent. You should not tell anyone that I helped this fellow, I helped this fellow. Don't tell anyone. You help people and see that bliss. See, you will be really happy. So start helping people. These are the 5 things you should do during this lockdown. You will really feel better, and you want you want yourself to be rejuvenated. This is the best time you can try these 5 things. What you should not do is, do not spread negative news. Do not be worried. Do not think this is the end of the world. It is just 10 days, not 10 years, and this pandemic will go away. Don't think negative. Okay, be strong. This is very, very important, right? So I hope you will follow this, and if you like it, please tell your friends, encourage everyone to stay positive, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.